Bhagwant Singh Mann is an Indian politician and former actor and satirist. Since May 2014, he is the Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha for Sangrur constituency, Punjab. On 18 February 2022 he was chosen as the official Chief Minister candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party by Arvind Kejriwal for the 2022 Punjab Legislative Assembly election. Mann was born in a Jat Sikh family on 17 October 1973 to father Mohinder Singh and mother Harpal Kaur in Sataj village of Sangrur district, Punjab, India. He pursued his graduation from Shahid Udham Singh Government College, Sunam. Mann participated in youth comedy festivals and inter-college competitions. He won 2 gold medals at a competition at the Punjabi University, Patiala for the Shahid Udham Singh Government College, Sunam. Mann developed comedy routines about typical Indian issues such as politics, business and sport. His first comedy album was with Jagtar Jaggi. Together, they made a television program called Jug Nu Kenda Hai for Alpha etc Punjabi. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.